Hi everyone, this is Terry from terryscraftroom.com. I'm here today to give you a quick tip regarding your dies. Now some of our dies lately have the die and then the embossing that goes with it, and you can die and emboss at the same time. But how you get them to stay perfectly still on your page when you're trying to cut them out? Well, I have the perfect tip here for you. It is press and seal. So all I did was I took, if you can see, I took a little bit of press and seal and I put my die and my embossing piece on the press and seal. So it stays perfectly centered within my die, and then when I send it through my machine, it comes out just perfect. And so I've done that with all three of the poinsettia dies. You can see them here, and I'm just going to store them like that because I'm going to use them like that. And then if I do need to just use one piece or another, I can always take the press and seal off. Easy peasy. And then I also did that with the leaves. You can see it a little bit easier with the leaves. And I'm just going to store them like that on my magnetic sheet. Easy peasy. So I hope this little tip has helped you today with your storing of your dies and you're running your dies through the Big Shot. So just remember, press and seal. It's not only for your kitchen, bring it down into your craft room. I'll see you later. If you liked this tip and you'd like to see more tips and tricks or more tutorials, click on the like button and click that little bell and help me grow my channel. I'll see ya. Bye.